What you need when exploring a new place might differ from what you carry at home. So if you're looking for new everyday gear to carry on a trip, we've got you covered. Starting with a way to recharge without getting tangled in cords. You know you'll need a cable. Instead of packing 2 or 3 to cover all of your devices, consider a universal cable like this one. The Rolling Square inCharge XS is a tiny cable with Lightning, USB-A, and USB-C connectors. It charges up to an ultra-fast 240 watts of power, which is faster than Rolling Square's other inCharge cables, so you can get your phone up to full power quickly. While the transfer speeds are capped at 480 megabytes per second, you probably won't notice unless you're trying to upload tons of high-resolution photos. The permanently tethered adapters to flip through at each end of the cord allow you to charge devices with USB-C, USB-A, and Lightning connections. That should be just about everything you need throughout the day, from your phone to earbuds to a tablet. The metal ends pull out to reveal connectors underneath so you can mix and match, and they snap together magnetically when you've finished using them to keep them together in your tech pouch or hanging off of your keys. Its attached cap protects the ends from dust and dirt too. While other inCharge models have a micro USB option that's becoming so obsolete that we prefer the faster speeds of the XS over the adaptability of a micro USB end. However, if you still have headphones, keyboards, or other accessories that charge with that connector, you may want to check out Rolling Square's other options like the inCharge X. If you're looking to stay hydrated, there is a good chance you've heard about Owala. And if you love the design of their other bottles, then you may love the SmoothSip slider too. SmoothSip slider. That's very hard to say fast. What sets this mug apart is its leak-proof design that really works well. It has a tab that slides closed to keep your coffee, tea, or water inside, whether you knock it over or even hold it upside down. Push it down to release the pressure before sliding it open when you want to take a sip. Then click it closed when you're through. That helps the mug's insulation too, since beverages will stay hotter longer if you can seal off all the places where heat could escape. Thanks to the slightly curved spout, the SmoothSip top is one of the most comfortable we've ever sipped from. When it's time to clean it, disassembling and reassembling the lid is easy with a little practice. Just be sure to keep track of all the different pieces. It comes in 12 and 20 ounce sizes, so you can choose based on how many hot drinks you consume throughout the day. Whatever size you prefer will fit easily into cup holders and bottle pockets, and the bottle has a slightly squared off design that's easy to hold. If you know anything about Owala, then you won't be surprised that you can get this thing in many different fun colorways. So pick the one that suits your personality or matches the rest of your gear and enjoy drinking your cup of joe as you wander through the local market or wait for the bus. We also like taming bulky keys, which is why we were excited to test the Key Organizer Pro from Orbitkey, especially since I've been using the original key organizer for years. It's much more low profile than carrying a dangly keychain. The spring-loaded hinge keeps tension on your keys while still allowing them to flip out when you need one. It fits up to 9 keys at once, sandwiched between a leather loop to keep them together in your pocket so they don't poke you. You don't need a separate tool to open the hinge and other end either. When you've screwed the top half down far enough, you'll start to feel continuous clicks, similar to working with a ratchet. That lets you adjust how tightly your keys are pressed against the hinge, making them easier or harder to deploy. Plus, with the added quick flip tool, you can get the key you use most with the flick of your thumb. It sometimes pulls out another key with it, but overall we think it's a great quality of life add. There's nothing worse than fumbling around trying to find the right key to flip out, especially if you're in the dark, and this little thing solves that. If you have larger fobs, you can hook them to a D-ring at the end, turning the organizer into a keychain for your car or office keys. It's secured in place so it won't tangle with the rest of your keys, as it might on a jump ring, maintaining the organizer's clean look. You'll also want to lock down your laptop while you're traveling. Whether you keep it in a larger bag or carry it on its own, this laptop sleeve from Solgaard keeps it nice and safe. That's because it's wrapped in the brand's proprietary Shortex fabric, a recycled plastic material that's durable and water resistant. Inside, foam padding and soft fleece lining protect your device from accidental bumps and scratches. It might not be quite rugged enough to save your screen if you toss it across the room, though the handle will help you keep a grip on it, whether you're pulling it out of a bag or just carrying it to your desk. There's also a detachable shoulder strap so you can haul it to the local cafe as a messenger bag or crossbody without lugging along another bag. Depending on your computer's dimensions, you can get 14 or 16-inch sizes. Either way, it includes 2 extra compartments on the front where you can stash accessories. One opens towards the top and one towards the side. Neither has internal organization, but they allow you to accommodate a small tablet, notebook, phone, wallet, mouse, and cables without adding too much to the bulk of the slim sleeve. If you don't need a laptop but may want to carry other essentials throughout your trip, then a sling might be more convenient. This 3.5-liter waist pack is comfortable when you want to carry it all day. The Pacsafe Eco Anti-Theft Waist Pack is made with recycled polyester and nylon, but what sets it apart from other slings are the built-in locking mechanisms that secure your gear when you're in an unfamiliar place. The exterior is beefed up with wire mesh to prevent someone from cutting into the bag, and zippers can secure into a lock between the front and main compartments. Then you don't need to keep one hand on your sling in a crowded area. And if you don't think you need it, then the sling works just fine without it. You can also lock the strap around a fixed object like the back of your chair since it attaches with a security clip to the bag. It also has wire running through it to keep someone from cutting it off. While the locking features may differ, the organization is similar to what we expect from a hip pack or sling. A front pocket includes a couple of slip pockets and a key clip, a main compartment divided by a large pouch, and a rear slip pocket with RFID protection where you can stash your passport and other documents to protect them from digital theft. The back panel is nicely padded for comfort, and the broad strap helps to distribute the weight off of what you're carrying too. So I think it's a nice option whether or not you need to lock things down. You'll certainly have no problem when slipping this phone stand inside of that sling. It gives you an easy way to take group photos or steady video when you're on the go. The JOBY HandyPod clip is a lightweight option for taking photos and video on your next trip, whether you're traveling around the world or to the local park. The tripod is made with aluminum, steel, glass-filled nylon plastic, and TPE for lightweight durability. And one leg functions as a carabiner so you can clip it to the outside of your bag or a belt loop when you're not using it. It's not just for phones either. Along with a grip with tight elastic bands to hold your iPhone or Android tight, it also has a ball joint for small cameras, so you can prevent shaky videos and take clear photos on any device. The leg with the carabiner is also a handle to take those POV shots or capture a memorable view of your favorite spots. Of course, you always need a wallet when you leave your house or hotel to carry cards and cash. You may also need to carry a passport when you're traveling too. While some options are super bulky, the Minaal RFID travel wallet is not. This vegan leather wallet is scratch resistant and it has a microfiber lining to protect your documents, cards, and cash throughout your trip. There are slots on either side to hold your passport, and it's easy to pull it out when you need for inspection. On the left is a spot for folded cash, receipts, or your ID. On the right, you'll find 3 card slots for additional storage, and it's all protected by RFID blocking technology to protect your data from digital theft. Well, you have to fold cash to fit inside, and it doesn't have tons of space to store extra cards. We like that it's slim enough to fit into a pocket so you can be ready to pull out your documents at customs or to buy a quick latte at the airport cafe. So those are the accessories we're bringing on our next trip, or just the next time we leave the house. So what do you carry on your day-to-day? Leave a comment down below and we might check it out for our next video. See you in the next one.